Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if 973y177 is a 7-digit number which is divisible by 9, then the smallest value of y is. Given number 973y177 is divisible by 9. So, by divisibility test of 9, the sum of the digits of that number, that is 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus y plus 1 plus 7 plus 7, that is 34 plus y, is also divisible by 9. So, the possible values of 34 plus y will be 36, 45 and so on. To find the smallest value of y, that 34 plus y should be 36. Now subtract 34 from both the sides, we get y equals to 2. Hence, smallest value of y is 2.